Hey, what's up, guys? This is me, Ronnie. Guys, today in this video, I'm going to talk about a book. The name of the book is Hindi to English Translation by Aditya Sir. Sir Aditya Sir has got a YouTube channel and he uploads spoken English related video there. So if you want to get good content of spoken English, so you can subscribe his channel. Yes, I'm talking about this book. Uh, I thought that Aditya Sir would add some technique of how to translate into English, but there are no techniques there. But you can use this book for readings. If you want to improve your spoken English, you have to read something. You may be reading some tenses books, some grammar books, but it's okay. But after completing tenses book, grammar books, you might be thinking that you need to read some newspapers, you need to read some novels. But if you want to if you don't want to read newspapers, because I would tell you that don't read newspaper after completing the spoken English structures book and tenses books and grammar books. After completing those books, you don't need to read newspapers, especially Times of India and Hindustan Times. You don't need that. You don't need to read that. You can read this book instead of reading those sort of newspapers. So guys, this book is a really good book, and the way Aditya Sir has written this book, it's amazing. And first I will upload a video of this book detail. I will show you in detail later on this channel. But the way Aditya Sir has written this book, it's amazing. First page, he has given the Hindi paragraphs, and the same paragraph has been translated into English in next page. So it's very awesome, and you don't need to check the words in dictionaries. So it's very good book to read, and then if you read this book, then you will understand how to make sentences, how to make sentences, and how to speak before anyone. So it's one of the great book that I have purchased. Guys, so do purchase this book, and I already subscribe his channel. That Aditya Sir has got a channel. The channel name, Sir Aditya Sir channel name is Spoken English Guru. So if you want, you can subscribe his channel. I already subscribe his channel, so I'm requesting you to subscribe his channel. He's one of the great English teacher on YouTube, and he's a very well-known YouTuber. And most of the students are ardent admirer of Aditya Sir. So I follow him, and I'm requesting you also follow Aditya Sir to get good content of spoken English, guys. So bye bye, guys, signing out. To purchase this book, it's one of the great book that you can read to improve your spoken English, guys. Thank you.